So hot composting kills the seeds if done correctly, and you can do it like within a tumbler or on the ground. Cold composting, you're going to break the materials down. It's going to take a prolonged period of time. If time is not an issue for you, you just do not feel comfortable throwing it in the trash, or you just have a pile way out in the back and you take a bucket every couple of days back there, and over the course of 2-3 years, then you have a big pile of compost. That cold composting, when you cold compost, it's not, cold per se. There is some aerobic activity inside of that composting pile, but it's not going to get to the elevated temperatures to kill all the viability in the seeds, the weed seeds that you are mixing in. So you're going to have weed seeds that are going to sprout when you utilize this compost in your garden. So keep that in mind, that whenever you use it, yes, it's compost. It's black. It's what you want. But if it's in the cold composting state, you're going to have seeds of weeds that are going to sprout.
So one thing you can do, and I'm just going to get off topic a teeny bit, is if you use that compost in your garden, you're concerned about the weed seeds creating weeds, you can always put it at the bottom. Like maybe you're trying to fill a raised bed, or even just some sort of large container. You can put that at the bottom of your container, and that will help not give the weeds
prevent
the weeds from growing.